Hey everyone! Welcome back to Bold Bite, where we bring you the most interesting facts about the world around us. Today, we'll be exploring the fascinating world of bees. Bees are an essential part of our ecosystem and they play a vital role in pollinating many of our crops. So, let's get started with our top 10 facts about bees. Number 10. Bees have 5 eyes. That's right, bees actually have 5 eyes. They have 2 large compound eyes and 3 smaller eyes on the top of their head. The compound eyes are made up of thousands of tiny lenses, which allow them to see in multiple directions at once. The smaller eyes, known as ocelli, help bees to navigate and maintain stability during flight. Number 9. Bees can fly up to 15 miles per hour. Despite their small size, bees are incredibly fast flyers. They can reach speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, which is pretty impressive considering their wings beat around 200 times per second. Number 8. There are over 20,000 species of bees. While most of us are familiar with the honeybee, there are actually over 20,000 species of bees in the world. These include bumblebees, carpenter bees, and sweat bees, among others. Each species plays a unique role in pollinating different types of plants and flowers. Number 7. Bees can recognize human faces. Believe it or not, bees have the ability to recognize human faces. This is because they have a highly developed sense of smell and are able to pick up on the unique scent of an individual. In fact, researchers have found that bees can even remember and distinguish between different human faces. Number 6. Bees can see UV light. In addition to having 5 eyes, bees can also see ultraviolet, UV, light. This means that they can see things that are invisible to the human eye, such as patterns on flowers that guide them towards the nectar. Number 5. Bees can communicate with dance. Bees have a unique way of communicating with each other through a dance known as the waggle dance. This dance involves the bee waggling its body and moving in a figure-8 pattern to indicate the direction and distance of a food source. Number 4. Bees are important pollinators. As we mentioned earlier, bees play a vital role in pollinating many of our crops. In fact, it's estimated that bees are responsible for pollinating 1/3 of the world's crops. Without bees, many of our favorite foods, such as almonds, apples, and blueberries, would be much harder to come by. Number 3. Bees make honey. One of the most well-known facts about bees is that they make honey. Honey is made from nectar, which bees collect from flowers and then store in their hive. They use their wings to fan the nectar, which causes it to thicken and eventually turn into honey. Bees use honey as a source of food, especially during the winter months when food sources are scarce. Number 2. Bees are in trouble. Unfortunately, many bee populations around the world are in decline due to habitat loss, pesticide use, and disease. This is a major concern, as bees play such an important role in pollinating our crops. We can all do our part to help bees by planting bee-friendly flowers and avoiding the use of pesticides in our gardens. Number 1. Bees are incredible workers. Last but not least, bees are some of the hardest workers in the animal kingdom. A single bee can visit up to 5,000 flowers in a day, and it takes around 2 million flowers to produce just 1 pound of honey. Bees work tirelessly to collect nectar and pollen, build and maintain their hive, care for their young, and protect their queen. It's truly remarkable how much they can accomplish in their short lifespan of only a few weeks to a few months. And that wraps up our top 10 facts about bees. We hope you've learned something new and interesting about these incredible insects. Remember, bees are essential to our ecosystem and we all have a part to play in protecting them. So, let's do our best to help these amazing creatures thrive. Thanks for watching Bold Bite, and as always, stay bold and stay curious.